Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng Inyo Bulldogs ang Ateneo Blue Eagles 23-25, 26-24, 27-25, 29-27. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Renz Miltagibulo sa likod ng kanyang 13 points, 7 attacks at 6 blocks. Nagtala si Orjales ng 14 points, 13 attacks at 2 digs. Mukaba 10 points, 4 blocks, 4 SS. Tagibulos 13 points, 7 attacks, 6 blocks. Gapoltos 4 digs. Aringo 6.7 excellent receptions. Budin 5 points. Desquitado 7 points. Nag-ambag naman si Abanilla ng 2 points. Ancheta 4.16 excellent sets. Para naman sa natalong Ateneo Blue Eagles, Kennedy Batas 21 points, 21 attacks, 3 digs, 21 excellent receptions. Sa Larson 12 points, 9 attacks, 12 excellent receptions. Gutierrez 5 points, 3 blocks, 18 excellent sets. Gopio 7 points, 3 blocks. De Castro 8 digs. Pasinio 8 points. Castro 12 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Winalis naman ng FEU Tamaraws ang UP Fighting Maroons 25-21, 25-16, 25-18. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Drake Saavedra sa likod ng kanang 13 points, 12 attacks at 1 block. Nagtala naman si Espartero ng 10 points, 9 attacks. Dongala 5 points, 2 blocks. Saavedra 13 points, 12 attacks at 1 block. Cacao 3 points, 1 block, 1 ace, 7 excellent sets. Tandok 2 points, 1 ace. Ceballos 5 digs, 5 excellent receptions. Talisayan 5 points at 3 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Mendoza ng 7 points. Martinez 3 points. Bituin 4 points. Miguel 2 points. Para naman sa natalong UP Fighting Maroons, nagdala si Rahim ng 16 points at 16 attacks. Nicolas 5 points, 4 attacks. Lipata 1 point at 1 block. Castrodes 5 points, 1 block, 1 ace, 6 excellent receptions. Santiago 1 point, 1 ace, 6 excellent sets. Soto 5 digs. Di Guzman 3.7 excellent receptions. Nag-ambag naman si Bersano ng 1 dig, Clemente 1 point, Francisco 4 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, winalis ng NU Lady Bulldogs ang Ateneo Blue Eagles 25-23, 25-19, 25-15. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Alyssa Solomon sa likod ng kanyang 12 points, 10 attacks, 1 block at 1 ace. Nagtala si Alinsog ng 10 points, 8 attacks, 5 digs. Mata 6 points, 3 blocks. Solomon 12 points, 10 attacks, 1 block, 1 ace. Maaya 6 points, 3 blocks. Micaela Belen 9 points, 2 aces, 5 excellent sets, 7 excellent receptions. Pangilinan 6 points, 1 ace. Lamina 2 points, 14 excellent sets. Nag-ambag naman si Pono ng 1 point. Turing 3 points, March 2 points. Para naman sa natalong Ateneo Blue Eagles, Minor 9 points, 9 attacks. Montoro 9 points, 9 attacks. Arroyo 6 digs. Solet 3 points, 4 digs. Fujimoto 9 excellent sets. Di Guzman 9 points, 7 excellent receptions. Chuatico 8 points. Panalo naman ang UP Fighting Maroons kontra sa FEU Lady Tamaraws 23-25, 25-23, 25-17, 25-23. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Ulango sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 13 attacks, 3 blocks at 1 ace. Nagtala si Monares ng 19 points, 17 attacks, 2 aces at 8 digs. Itang 15 points, 4 blocks. Ulango 17 points, 13 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 ace. Mangilimutan 3 points, 2 aces, 17 excellent sets. Habonita 11 points, 7 digs, 12 excellent receptions. Isoland 8 excellent receptions. Silis 5 points. Nag-ambag naman si Kabasak ng 1 point. Doring 3 points. Banselt 1 point. Nosiha 2 points. Para naman sa natalong FEU Lady Tamaraws, Tagaod 10 points, 9 attacks, 7 digs. Bacanque 8 points, 8 attacks. Eliarina 8 points, 4 blocks. Pitalio 4 points, 1 block. Loresco 11 points, 3 aces. Obaldo 3 points, 2 aces, 17 excellent sets. Encarnacion 6 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Pons ng 2 points, Lopez 4 points, Panangin 1 point, Divosora 4 points, Aces 7 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of February 19, 2025. NU Bulldogs 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. FEU Tamaraws 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 1 win 1 loss 3 points. UP Fighting Maroons 1 win 1 loss 2 points. UE Red Warriors 0 win 1 loss 1 point. UST Golden Spikers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Adamson Soaring Falcons 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Del Iso Green Spikers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Heto naman ang team standings ng Women's Division as of February 19, 2025. NU Lady Bulldogs 2 win 0 loss 6 points. UP Fighting Maroons 2 win 0 loss 5 points. Adamson Lady Falcons 1 win 0 loss 2 points. FEU Lady Tamaraws 1 win 1 loss 3 points. UE Lady Warriors 0 win 1 loss 1 point. UST Golden Tigresses 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Del Iso Lady Spikers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Ateneo Blue Eagles 0 win 2 losses 1 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong February 22, 2025 na gaganapin sa PhilOL Ecoel Center. Maglalaban ang UST Golden Spikers at UA Red Warriors ng Men's Division alas 9 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang UST Golden Tigresses at UA Lady Warriors ng Women's Division alas 11 ng umaga. Magtotoos ang Del Iso Green Spikers at Adamson Soaring Falcons ng Men's Division alas 3 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Del Iso Lady Spikers at Adamson Lady Falcons ng Women's Division alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.